Hello, hi everyone. So today we are going to learn how we can run ads, our advertisements on x.com, which was previously called Twitter. So this you can see my screen. This is the home page. Uh, if you don't have a profile on x.com, you need to create a profile. And once you create a profile, this will be your home page, and this will be your profile section. So, x.com is very popular for latest updates and short news and any post in a short format. So we are going to see from where we can go to the ads. So if you see here, there are three dots saying more. So once we click on them, we can see the ad section. Once I click on the ad section, a new web page opens. This website is called ads.x.com, as you can see here at the top, ads.x.com. Now, x.com has made it very simple. You have to choose your objective, then create your ad, and then you customize the delivery, your target customers. So, objective, you can have reach to reach as many more people as you can, then engagement to engage with people, to drive traffic to your website. And then there is keywords, which x.com has recently added, which is still in beta stage, where you can target keywords. So, let's select website traffic. And then once I click on the next, we move to the section where it's create ad. Now a text is required. Add text, what you want to say to the user who sees the ad. Once I type, so here I have typed it's awesome. And then you have to add media, website details. So in media, you can add video or you can add a picture. So here at the top, you can see it's the media guidelines. So media guidelines, once you open the media guidelines, then you will understand what should be the aspect ratio, what should be the size, what should be the what you can say pixel for the photos and all. So it's given here. So for photos, say it is 800 into 800 pixel or 800 into 418 pixel. Now, if you go scroll down, you will see choose your media from your media library. So you can browse from your device and add media here, or you can choose from your media library. Choosing from media library is recommended. Once you open, if you click on this, you can open your media library and you can upload media from here. So once you upload media and then you go on to create your ad again, that will be preferable because choosing from your device, it takes time to upload and load. So if I select this media, which I have already updated, up, then I click on the confirm button. So now I'm being asked, so ad text is there, website details is there, the photo I have added, the headline. So I have written ads delivered now, and then you have to write the website URL or your landing page where you want to take the user once he or she clicks on the ad. So let's put it here. So I have entered the website URL, headline, and now we are ready to move on to the next page. Once I click on next, since I'm doing it for the first time, I haven't run any ads yet, so I haven't added my payment details. So it says that when once you start at first time, it will say you ask you to add your tax information, and it will also tell you that it will take around 24 to 48 hours to confirm on the ads once you start your ads for the first time. If I put cancel here, So now I have come to the next, that is customized delivery. So as you see, I didn't enter my payment details. So no payment method selected because I'm just doing this for demo. Now here you can select the demographics, gender, age, age range. You can write location. Since I'm from India, it's showing India by default. Targeting features. Now these are optional, but you have lots of features, keywords, follower lookalikes, operating system, interests, languages, budgets and schedule, daily budget. Budget will always be in USD, mostly it's in USD, and then the date range, schedule when you want to schedule your ad. And once you do this and add your payment information and tax information, tax information, I guess that's not mandatory. That should not be mandatory, but you need to add payment method. Then here at the bottom, you can click on the launch campaign and your uh, ad on x.com, your campaign on x.com will start. It will also show here what is your audience summary, gender, age gap, and any other demographic if I select, and then also the reach potential. Thank you.